Gale loves getting out to go for a drive. He and Buster, in a way, would make a great pair. Now, you know the rules. Simply because they love to go, and they love to explore, and they love to go someplace different. So I'm going to let him pick, and this morning he says, we're going south. Okay, we'll go south. And the unfortunate thing is we're going into the wind right now, which means that when we're coming back, we'll be going against the wind, or with the wind. There used to be a giant hole right there. I am so glad they filled it in. That's awesome. Once harvest is over, that'll be all smoothed out. Every direction we go, we have a distance that they have to walk before they're allowed to go any faster. And they all know it, and they all know where the edges are. Yes. If you want to go out in the field, we can do that, but not until after we get past this area. This is our walk area. Now you may trot. Working trot. He said, goody, let's do something. And the dogs are happy because they're getting to go someplace different. Doodlebug is with me. She's happy, she gets to go. And it's chilly enough this morning, I have a sweatshirt on top of my t-shirt and long sleeve shirt, so yay. That bush try to get you. I'm hoping, we have a lot of clouds this morning, and I am hoping that in these clouds, you know, some of the rain will come out of these clouds if I go out driving. I guess I should have driven right around our property so that rain fell on there. But everywhere needs it. Oh, for pity's sake. Yep. A whole lot of baling twine, isn't it? When you come to the other side of the road, it's a little bit less rocky, I think. That's a good boy. Going this direction, we're going to go, let's see, if we go around the field, all the way around, it's 4 miles. If we go, excuse me here, if we can follow the crops, which we can part of the time, it will be 3.75 miles. I called a friend who was good at math, and I said, so if I follow the circumference of the 1 mile circle, the 1 mile radius of the sprinkler, then how far have I actually gone? He figured it out in about 3 seconds and let me know. Math is definitely not my strong suit. Back up here where there are fewer rocks, please. Yes, a protein tub. Come here. No, those are water tanks, and we're not going that way. Walk on. We're coming over here to the right, and we're going to follow this crop around. And you're gonna miss the big rock, big bunch of mud. Walk on. There's Amy. Yes, the bugs are bad. Let's trot. It's a little softer in here. Till we get over here where they've been driving a lot more. That's a boy. That's it. Yes, the bugs are just all over the place, aren't you? Aren't they, honey? What a good boy. Just covered with those little darn bugs. The baby flies, the ones that are easy to kill if you can get to them. There you go. Happy boy. I haven't been driving around this pasture, this field very much, so it's not very firm over here, but at least they didn't plow it. Come over here. That's a boy. Yeah, that's more solid. So since they haven't been driving around it a lot, I think that we are going to connect to the road up here and then get on the road. What a good boy. A whole lot of green something on the ground up here, and I'm hoping it's just weeds, but not goat heads. Nope, it's pigweed, goat heads, and kochia weed. And let's go follow the tracks of the last truck that was around here. And then get back over on their sort of road. That's a boy. I see the fly, but I don't think I can manage to get it without scaring you but good. Yes, it's right behind your ears, isn't it? Well, that didn't work. Yes, I see it. I see it. I can't get to it. What a good boy. It's a lot more work to pull in this softer stuff, isn't it? Walk on. This corn's looking pretty good. It's very sad to see some of the crops just going fallow because they were, the farmers have to decide where they can use their water. There's only so much of it. Walk on. So some of the crops are just being let go in favor of the ones that'll make it. It's pretty heartbreaking. And it would not be unusual to see something come bombing out of there, like deer or something like that. Walk on. Yeah, walking in this softer stuff builds muscles, doesn't it, buddy? Plenty of goat heads out here. That's a boy. Walk like we're going somewhere, please. If you walk in the soft stuff, then the cart's on the hard stuff and it's easier to pull. Nope, I want you in the middle. Good boy. Just like that. And there's just enough dust. I have to mask up.